In this video I will be showing you how to make your text have a rainbow color when using Instagram story. Take a picture and write the text you want. Highlight all of the text by pressing select all. Now press the color button to reveal all colors. Keep pressing a color so that this menu will show up. Now grab the right or left side of the text with your other thumb. Now slide over with both of your thumbs at the same time. If you can't seem to grab the text, try pressing the part 1 have highlighted. There you have it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like if this video has helped. Comment down below if you have any questions I should answer. Subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next one.